You said that I was pretty and you liked my company, but I didn't give an answer, I just stood and watched you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vivi and I am a crochet artist based in Nashville, Tennessee, and today I am doing just about the coolest market I think I've ever done. It is going to be in this beautiful, elegant hotel in an old train station in downtown Nashville called Union Station, and I'm just so excited. They reached out to me personally and asked if I would do this market, and I don't even know how they found me. I'm just so excited. I was so excited when they DM'd me because this is one of my mom's favorite places in Nashville. She went to college in Nashville, and so she loves Nashville and she loves this place. And so I was just beyond thrilled. And so I figured I had to bring y'all along to see this beautiful venue. And it's going to be a really long market too. I think I'm going to be there. I think it's a 5-hour long market, which I guess is only the longest I've done is 4. So we'll see what that's like. And so I'm going to bring y'all along, show you the setup process, show you the place. I think it's going to be beautiful and a really exciting market. So yeah, it's just about time to go. I'm also pet sitting right now, so I'm at their house. I'm letting the dog out right now, and then I'm going to go. And yeah, lots going on this weekend, and it's Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. I'm sad I can't be with my mom today, but I'm going to be sure to celebrate her as soon as I see her, and I'll be celebrating her from here. Okay, let's go to this market.
I'm a little nostalgic, what can I say? Wishing for simpler days. Summer spent on playground swings or splashing around in the creek. My parents took good care of me, my sisters kept me company. We never needed anything, and I'm so grateful for everything. And if I want to go back, I turn on my childhood soundtrack. Mine sounds like Willie Nelson playing on a 60s radio station, driving down I-35, happy just being alive. If I want to relive those days, I grab a record and just hit play, and I'm there instantly. Music is my favorite time machine. Far from home, in a city out here on my own, chasing all my hopes and dreams with a guitar that really needs new strings. Every day I call my mom and I play my family each new song. They don't seem as far away when I'm singing on that lonely stage. And when I want to go back, I turn on my childhood soundtrack.
The dog I am pet sitting for some reason never eats, but she chose the second I sat down to film this to finally eat her food, which I'm so glad because she needs to eat, but I love that timing for me. Can you hear her? I'm so proud of you, girlfriend. Let's get some ASMR of her chewing. Oh, she didn't like that. That freaked her out. She's like, what is that thing? What is that thing? No, I disrupted you. Go finish eating. I'm so proud of you for eating. She's a sweetheart. Okay, well, Lola might be in this part of the video. Uh-oh, there's a noise in the backyard. That's upsetting. Lola, it's the train. Okay, I let her in the backyard. We're good. That market was so cool. The venue was as beautiful as I imagined it would be. I had seen pictures, but I'd never been in person, and it's just such a beautiful place. I love it. and everyone running it was so nice and sweet, and it was just a really easy setup because no tent, they had the tables, there was no vendor fee, which was dreamy, and so it was just such a great experience. Wow. We'll go over what sold, what I made at the market, so that, because I like to do full transparency on my channel for people interested in doing markets like this. So I will show you all my super professional way of keeping track. So I have a list of all my inventory, and then I have a green heart for cash, a pink heart for credit card, and a blue heart for Venmo. So I just put that number of hearts next to however many. So like this one has 2 blue hearts because I sold 2 and they were both Venmo. So this one's got 2 pink and 1 blue. So 2 were sold through credit card, 1 was sold Venmo. So the first thing that sold was this. It wasn't the first thing that sold, but it's the first thing on my list, was this little bear plushie, and it was $15. They used credit card. And that I almost didn't even put out there because I had crocheted that for a Valentine's market a while ago, and I was like, it's not really on theme anymore. I didn't put it out at my last market actually, and it sold at this one, so I was like, cool. And then I sold 3 of my hanging plants. Those are a pretty popular item, and I have a tutorial for those. I can link that in the description below. Okay, now someone's mowing their lawn. I hope you can't hear that. This is just a little bit of a chaotic outro. Hanging plants, sold 3. Next was a heart coaster set of 3, which is $15 for the set of 3. And that I was excited. I don't think I'd sold the heart coasters before, so I was really excited when she bought that because I think they're so cute. And then one of my heart plushies, it's my larger one, so it's $15. And then turtles, I sold 3 turtles for $10 each. The turtles were a hit. There was one little girl who really wanted a turtle, and her mom told her no because she couldn't get her parking validated. That's what she said, and the little girl was very upset. But yeah, that was kind of sad. But turtles were a hit with the little girls at the market. And then I sold 2 scrunchies for $5 each. So let's do the math and see what I made at this market. I'm gonna use a calculator because I don't do mental math anymore. So $160, which I am very happy with. With no vendor fee, I will take it. Even the experience alone of this market was so worth it for me because it was so cool. And getting asked to do it, I just felt very honored, and it was so beautiful. And the band behind me was like this little 4-piece orchestra. Oh my gosh, it was like I was in Bridgerton. For a while, they did like a Fleetwood Mac medley. That made me so happy. I love Fleetwood Mac. Fun fact about me, love Fleetwood Mac. They did Mamma Mia. They did some Harry Styles, a little Ed Sheeran. It was so fun. It really felt like I was in Bridgerton with them like playing their strings behind me. So cool. On another note, total side note, this top that I'm wearing and this trinket necklace are both from a Nashville local boutique, but they also have an online store. You should totally check them out. They have such cute clothes, and I love just supporting family-owned boutiques. And so they are called Shop Molly Green. So I will put a link in the description below, and you can get 15% off with my link or with my code VIVI15. So you should definitely go check them out because look how cute. They have so many cute trinket necklaces and cute tops like this. I have bought a lot of things from them. I wear their clothes a lot. I got a cute denim vest from them, all kinds of things. Yeah, so you should definitely go check them out. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video and joining me on this really cool market experience. This was so much fun, and I hope you enjoyed this video and found it a little bit enlightening with different market experiences. And if you did like it, feel free to actually like it and subscribe for more crochet content, small business content, all the things like that. I have a lot of vlogs and just different commentary on my experience with a small business, and also crochet tutorials if you're interested in those. And I hope I see you next time. Bye.